Welcome everyone to today's tutorial where we are diving into the creation of data quality rules using Profisee. So in this session, we will explore how to implement both the validation and assignment rules to maintain the integrity of our data. So let's dive into it, creating the validation rules. To kick things off, let's ensure that certain fields like the address information, address city in our customer address table are required. How we can do it? Let's proceed further. We have to navigate to the data quality rules section. Then we have to click on the new option here. Then we have to choose the customer address entity and the attribute which we want to make it as a required, like address city. Then we have to click on OK button. Then we have to opt for validation rules. Then click on add. Then from this drop down, we have to select is required option. And in the description, we have to write the address city is required. And then save and close. Now we will create an assignment rule for creating the full name by concatenating the values of first name and last name. Then again we have to click on a new. Then we have to select the person entity from here. Then we have to select the full name attribute. Click on OK. Then opt for assignments rule. Click on add. From a drop down, select equals option. Click on what option and click on create or edit expression. Then from the functions, we have to choose the concat option. And in the parameter, we have to pass the first name and the last name. And click on OK. Then save and close. So we have successfully created the assignment rule for creating a full name by concatenating the first name and last name. And we have also created the validation rule for making the address information as required. As you can see, address city, address country, address postal code. And for running the rules, we just have to click on the run rules option. And there you have it. By implementing this validation and assignment rules, we are ensuring the consistency and accuracy of our data within a Profisee. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials. Thank you.